Hello everyone, Vincent Laxton here. I'm going to tell you how to safely prepare everything steak and prevent diseases and parasites in the process. Let's move to step 1. Step 1. Clean your hands and prepare a clean surface. In my case, I have a plate. Now that you've done this, you can grab your steak and rinse it off thoroughly. You've done this, you can move on to step 2. Step 2, put it in a pan, and you just prepare this really good. Now, we're going to pour Worcestershire sauce paste. Pause it. Pour Worcestershire sauce and add the paste. Add your garlic seasoning. We're going to do the same thing to the other side once we flip it. We're going to add the everything bagel seasoning to preferences as well. Now we're going to flip this over. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. This time I'm going to do it in reverse order. More garlic salt. I'm going to flip it one more time, just to cook the other side again. Move on this side, and then we're going to move on to step 3. And wash hands again. I've already cooked it until preferred temperature. You just gotta check the temperature. That does not render the right temperature just yet. So we have to keep cooking until it reaches the preferred temperature of 145. Alright, so make sure to check the internal temperature of the steak and that it renders 145 degrees Fahrenheit like we have here for at least 17 seconds. And now we're going to flip it into the thing. Let's put this in the sun first. And enough. And now this is just the way I like to cook my steak, medium. Tip number 1, if you cannot eat it right away, make sure to put it in the fridge that is less than 41 degrees Fahrenheit, not in the freezer. Tip 2, use an analog thermometer if you want an accurate reading. It tends to be slower than digital, requiring 17 seconds to check. Use a digital all-purpose thermometer for best results with fast readings. That's all.